So today we're doing the sound system and running all the wires to the reverse camera, which entails taking off the dash. Thank God we've got a workshop manual to help us get through it, because this is going to be fun. We've got the dash off, and the key thing to remember when you're doing your dash is label everything. Unless you have a workshop manual and you're an expert, you'll lose sight of the amount of different wires and screws that you take out and that you unplug. So it's key to label everything. It makes your job a lot easier when you put it all back together. By design, aftermarket speakers generally don't operate the same as your factory speakers. So it's always a good idea to get yourself an amp to increase the power to the speakers. Stops you from, I guess, driving them too hard, causing the head unit to overheat, and you'll get a better sound quality overall at the end. These are our speakers, so we've got two sets of these. We've got a Pioneer Apple CarPlay head unit. This is our wiring harness for the amp. So we've spent all day. It's currently 5 o'clock. We started at 8. We've taken the dash off. We've run all the wires for the head unit and the reverse camera, which has to be hooked up to the reverse light, so that when you put it in reverse, the camera comes up on the screen. Otherwise, you're going to have to touch it and remember to turn it on every time you want it. Get yourself a workshop manual for your bus, because it makes a lot of a difference when you know which fuses you're using and which wires to tap into.
So the dashboard is successfully back in, and we